money which people can make through these platforms. Can you talk about how much one can charge on Instagram, at what scale, and same for LinkedIn and YouTube?
Yeah, so that depends upon the niche you have. Okay.
Let's talk about education only as a niche for now.
So I will give a metric. I will give you some metrics on what basis the brands will give you high and pay low. Okay. If you are creating English content and Hindi content, the amount will be different, right? Because English content जो है, it's a very specific audience. In India, it's around 3 to 5% if I'm not wrong, right? तो 3-5% की ऑडियंस है, तुम बहुत स्पेसिफिक जा रहे हो, टारगेटेड जा रहे हो, एंड ऊपर से इफ इंग्लिश है तो ऑब्वियसली दे हैव लाइक डिफरेंट लेवल. नाउ वहाँ पे प्राइस चेंज हो जाएगा. इफ यू आर प्योरली केटरिंग टू let's
how much
say
would be the price differentiation here?
a lot. For example, if I would take an example, like live example. One of my friend, finance creator, he is at around, I won't take the name, he is above 1 million, okay, and he's charging right now 2 lakh rupees for a reel.
That's it, 2 lakh.
Exactly.
That's very less.
Exactly.
Okay.
Because
is he creating in Hindi?
He is creating Hindi.
Okay.
You all know him.
Same, let's say if English में अगर बनाता तो कितना चार्ज कर सकते थे?
That also depends कि अच्छा ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पे English एक फैक्टर हो गया. Now there is another factor which is called device. कि आप कौन से क्वालिटी वीडियोस बनाते हो, लोगों के दिमाग में आपका इमेज बना हुआ कैसे, ठीक है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू हैव टू गो वेरी प्रोफेशनल, फिल्मी एकदम. एट द सेम टाइम थोड़ा डिसेंसी होना चाहिए. एंड्रॉइड से नहीं, एटलीस्ट आईफोन से कर लो, राइट. और आईफोन और DSLR कैनन मिलेगा तो भी चलेगा. तो कौन सा डिवाइस यूज़ करें, उस बेसिस से आपको ब्रांड पे करते हैं. थर्ड थिंग इज व्हाट टॉपिक्स यू आर केटरिंग एंड what type of words you are using. For example, a lot of people create English content but they use the word like make money. If you can use words like scale business, difference. Now again, it's a part of language differentiation definitely. At the same time, वहाँ पे कौन सा टॉपिक केटर करे वो भी मैटर करता है. For example, if you are catering, as you said, RPM, CPM, these are the metrics. अगर if you start creating content on around the metrics and all that stuff, that how do you use metrics to grow, definitely there will be an audience who are already growing on YouTube and they are like, we know these metrics. I am a person who doesn't know about these metrics. I actually asked you the full form of them, right? I won't be able to watch them. That means whatever topics you create automatically decides a target audience for you. Again, that's again a metric for you, right? There are multiple metrics like that. Now, if I take an example of, let's say, a finance creator, as you said, by the finance is one of the niches that is charging very high right now. Finance niche mein you have 100K followers, you are English content, you are making with DSLR, you can charge very good amount.
What is your definition of very good amount?
So if you have 100K, you have very good content with, let's say, you're creating high quality content, you have decent engagement also.
How do you define decent engagement? I'll request you to be more specific.
Yeah.
Decent engagement मतलब कितना?
So for example, if you have 100K, the average engagement would go roughly around, अगर आपके 100K followers होते हैं तो आपको on an average 2 to 5,000 likes आते हैं, ठीक है. Now this is a good engagement by the way, right? In that case, brands will pay you more. Now there are a lot of...
How much the brands will pay here?
हाँ, मैं उस पे आ रहा हूँ. If your engagement percentage of views, जो views होता है, if it goes good, for example, अगर आपके 100K views है, 100K followers है, and if it goes more than 100K on an average आपके page पे, they are going to pay you more. But अगर आपका view engagement को छोड़ के आपका like, save, share कम हो गया है, they won't pay you more, because in that case they are saying कि लोग देख रहे हैं, उनको पसंद नहीं आ रहा है.
Got it.
So there are more deep insights and engagement. एक तो है व्यू कि लोग देख रहे कि नहीं, impressions, reach, व्यू. उसके बाद आता है लाइक, सेव, शेयर कि बंदा आ चुका. अब
इतना लाइक ब्रांड्स इतना चेक करते हैं क्या, लाइक बिफोर पेइंग?
पहले नहीं करते थे, अब आ रहे. Have you seen a drop in brands paying?
अभी तो because of funding winter also,
तो
because
VC
a lot of VC money is gone.
हाँ,
That's why.
that is true.
That is the main reason, because
when you don't
2021 में
when you don't have money, you will see more and you will be like more specific. मतलब
I agree.
No, but I still didn't get the answer to my question. So कितना चार्ज करेगी वो तो बताया ही नहीं.
अब मैं बोलता हूँ. So if you are, जैसे मैं 3 lakhs पर हूँ, 3 lakh.
काम करते हैं. Let's keep it very simple. How much do you charge for a brand reel?
हाँ, मैं वही बोला था. I have 4 lakh followers. I charge 1.3 lakh rupees for a reel.
Okay, got it. And what is the engagement? What is the average views you are getting?
100K plus.
Got it. So it's on an average rupees 1 per view के आसपास मान सकते हैं मतलब.
You can say that. You can say that.
Vedika, let's talk about LinkedIn. How much can a creator charge on LinkedIn?
So I'll give my example. If I have say 2 lakh followers, I am charging 1 lakh per
post.
that I...
So is it like half of the followers you should usually charge?
I mean, मेरे पास
up to a scale.
answer नहीं है.
Yeah, up to a scale of let's say 4-5 lakh followers. Is it like 0.5? मतलब 0.5 of the number of
I
followers.
feel like LinkedIn is still a very unexplored platform for sponsorships. It's not as big as Instagram or YouTube is. there are less brands coming. I do around 2 in a month, not more than that. And there are very less brands who come and can pay also that much. There are many brands who want, yo 10,000 में कर दो, मतलब वो सब तो नहीं होगा, but there are less brands, so you can't charge as much as you can charge on Instagram for sure. मतलब if I had the same amount of followers on Instagram, I would like maybe charge a little bit more. But on LinkedIn, just because that engagement rate is not, it's stuck only. If you think about it, like Ankur ka bhi, what I was saying, right? He has 20, but he's still getting 2,000, 3,000.
Yeah.
I am at 2 lakh, I'm also getting 2,000, 3,000. So it's stuck at a certain time, and you have some viral one-off posts that obviously go viral. So you should know how to do brand sponsorships. I make sure I tell them that I run a LinkedIn personal branding agency. Please listen to me. I will make sure that you get a decent amount of views. And a few brands don't listen. They just want me to copy paste whatever they've done. So sometimes I do that. But in general, if you are a creator, say who has 20,000 followers, I'm pretty sure you can charge 10 to 15,000 if you have a good decent.
Is it also dependent on the number of impressions they are getting on an average?
Yeah. Brands ask for all of that. They ask me for a screenshot of my analytics, and only then do I even charge
So
for
at a
it.
scale of 20,000 followers, what is the average impressions which one would be getting?
They should at least be getting 10 to 15,000 impressions in that range. Like if I have a 2 lakh, I get around, on an average, I get 70 to 80,000 on an average, and good Postmate goes above 2 lakhs.
So again, LinkedIn also you can charge around rupees 1 to 1.2 per impression on an average basis your charge rate, right?
Yeah,
Got it.
correct.
Fair, cool. So Shaurya, I know you're not a YouTube creator, but how much on an average one can charge on YouTube for a brand deal if he has, again, like say 1 million subscribers
Got
and
it.
good engagement? And
I
finance
just-
is the category.
I just know Ankur's because with everybody else, like I said, my focus is impressions. That increases, brands will call them, and because I'm consulting them from the outside, I don't get to listen to these conversations, nor that is my focus. So I don't know वो लोग कितना charge कर रहे हैं. But Ankur charged about 4 lakhs back when we were close to 500k on YouTube, 4 lakhs for talking about the brand or making a video around it. And
500k on YouTube, so 500k
500K.
subscribers.
yes,
And on an average, what was how many views he used to get back
we will get,
during that time?
we were on a good day getting about 150,000 in 24 hours on a
Oh,
long
wow.
form video.
So 24 hours, 150k, मतलब this would go to 250, 300k in the.
This is
next
in
years.
general, yes, much
Got it.
more than that. These are the top 1%,
Initial.
top 5%.
Got it.
150k in 24 hours were our best bets. We've had videos do better, but the goal back then was to get a video to cross 100k within the
And
first
this is
7
for a
days.
YouTube integrated video, right?
This is for a YouTube. So Ankur never does, oh, this video is brought to you by... आइए वापस हम इस पे चलते हैं. So no, अगर अंकुर for example Unicard's के बारे में बात करें, then he'll talk about zero cost EMIs and anything and everything. Should you go for them? How you can pay them back quicker? How to repay loans faster? That's when. So he'll only talk about a brand when he's making a video about it in the first place. ठीक है. तो अभी जैसे Small Case has started loans against mutual funds. ठीक है. He made a whole video on loans against mutual funds and then talked about Small Case in this is a platform that facilitates this. वैसे करते हैं हम. तो वैसे रैंडम चीज़ों का प्लेसमेंट नहीं करते हैं. अगर अंकुर फाउंडर को नहीं जानते या प्रोडक्ट खुद नहीं यूज़ करते, so on and so forth. We are currently, so एक कैप हिट हो जाता है, and over the course of the last 2.5 years, a lot of money has gone away from influencer marketing because brands don't have the money, who were burning cash, who were getting the money from VCs. Now that they haven't, a lot of money didn't come our way, so our prices got capped, and we're currently at about 7 lakhs per product के बारे में बात करना. अभी subscribers तो we're close to 39 lakhs. So there's no proportion as such कि for every subscribers you can charge XYZ, because at some point in time it will be obnoxious.
I think it's more dependent on the average views your
More or less.
videos
अभी
are getting.
subscribers are such a vanity metric today because making shorts is a lot more easier. Making well performing shorts, if you have platform knowledge or can build anticipation, all the more better, which means you can get millions worth of views. gain subscribers, but then that is a vanity metric because those subscribers are not going to be watching your long form videos, and long form videos are the preferred mode of brand sponsorships or collaborations. So it gets capped at a certain point in time. People don't look at subscribers, has become a vanity metric. No, it's like, oh 4 million subscribers है, इसको ज़्यादा पैसे दे दो, इसके 1 लाख है, इसको कम पैसे दे दो. वैसे नहीं होता अब सब व्यूज़ के बारे में ही पूछते हैं, views on long form videos, and that's what people use to assess. Of course, you make a certain brand value for yourself at some point in time, wherein you'll know that you don't want to go below a certain price point, because then you're diluting your own value.
I also read in one of his tweets or somewhere that he mentions that there should be like this is like a cutoff price, in the sense that I'm not going to negotiate now.
Correct.
And which will also be like your brand value is that.
Correct.
Like this is your
Correct.
value. And he
Correct.
also mentions that never sell yourself too early also, because once you cross, let's say, good amount of followers, then you can increase your value and charge more. So these are like 2-3 things which I
Correct.
had.
He's written it about this
read.
in his tweets also, and we've talked about it in the course also. Ki at some point in time you can charge X per follower, but you'll have to keep bending it, because X per follower as a framework will not hold as and when you keep growing.
You have to keep also selling yourself as a creator ki I can make a very good reel for you. Abhi, like recently I signed a deal with a brand, and I was charging way higher than I usually
How
do.
much did you charge?
I charged them 1.5
Okay.
for the reel, which I
So you okay? I'm so sorry. Actually, you're also an Instagram creator,
Yeah.
by the way. I forgot. So by the way, she has 190,000 followers on Instagram, just to give context to everyone.
Yeah.
So yeah. That's
So I charged them that, and they were obviously like, no, whatever. So I told them, this is the reel I made. These are the views they got. They gave me creative freedom. I shoot well. I can edit. I have an editor. Blah blah blah. And I also told them, over and above this, you can also I charge a little more extra for it. But I told them, ye ad run kar lena, you will get way better. So that sold them, and that's how I got that better deal. So even though it didn't match the views I get, because I've thoda inconsistent on Instagram, but they gave it.
There are more criteria for Instagram actually. So one of my friends, she is at 98,000 followers, but she partnered up with Sony because she creates content so damn well. I mean, the way she delivers, the devices they use, her studio, and so damn well. Sony actually partnered with her.
What is the deal value and how much? Is
I don't know about that, but if I'm just selling ki if at 98,000 you can partner with Sony.
So from what I understand, I think YouTube is the platform which will pay the most as far as brand deals is concerned, then Instagram and then LinkedIn,
Correct.
right? So if let's say someone has 100K on all the 3 platforms, YouTube से सबसे ज़्यादा कमा सकता है, then Insta and then LinkedIn से.
हाँ, but it will depend. मतलब YouTube पे I'll
Assuming same
focus
engagement
again.
है.
I'll focus again कि subscribers are now, after since the induction of shorts onto the platform, subscribers have become a.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.